Now I told you that I have a different kind of updo, as mine is curly, and I want to show you how you can create a simple curl on Farrah's hair and get this updo that I have on my head. Okay, you want to take your curling iron and go ahead and place it in there and go round and round. Okay, round and round and round like this. Okay, simply creating a little curl like this. You see, it has like a little curl effect. Taking another piece like this. You're going to curl it again. If you don't have a round curling iron, you can actually use your flat iron if you have one by creating a curl. And I'm going to show you that in just a minute. But you see how they're just curls, simple little curls like this. But I'm going to try and do one right here on this side with flat iron. And you're going to take it and you're going to turn your flat iron in like this, turning it, keeping it real close to the hair and creating like a little curl like that. See? You created a loop curl. The hair's longer, it's even better. Farrah's hair's a little shorter. Okay, so you just want to do it again to create that loop in this kind of hairstyle.